movement o etswang ke rona batho ba nkang karolo ne rona ra participate hore ho be teng ho fana tjhelete ke donation exchange movement la utlwisisa Triple M ena ke in donation exchange movement the participants ke rona community members mo e leng hore ra hodisana re fana tjhelete e tlowe ho yena e ho yena but ka tsela e feng e leng hore e controlled here bari it's a community it is a self-managed community by participants aimed in providing each other financial help or the principle of gratuitous reciprocity and benevolence. Kama mantumona rishedine hore botho ba rona je ka re le je re a hlokana hara me re kwatela khone ka ba itshele o di bana la o zo bona mona le tshokolo ka tso ke nnete hore re le community re na le di challenges again ya pele challenge e kholo ke unemployment again ene ya bobedi le utlwile ene bana ba bona ba eme ka maoto ba re fees must fall again ke education is expensive so hole jwalo re ntse re sokola ka ba o hloka mosebetsi re ntse re ya pele but salary alone ha e etse things that is why re bona hona le di strike tse sa feleng tseo tse leng hore di shebane le ho hloka ha rona. So same thing e ka etsahala mo rona ntse re sa sebetse ha o batla ho starta o tlo batla di-plan tsa hore o etsa di-washing wa ainanyana o emela batho ho salang o batla le something e o kgonang ho starta ka yona. So the movement is so interesting because ke once off donation kama mantse ya batlang ho receive ke ofe rona le member already se re le teng again re donate first hore re be members then we expect in our 30% growth. Yani donation is our like you see some now return up in direct exchange. Participants transfer money directly to each other, and then that means peer to peer. Peer to peer system. Hahuna central account. Hahuna central bank account. Any more go fell harmar company Kenya Chelete Hara account to A. Any more so this one there's no central account. More it will not collect. Triple M will never collect your money. You take your money and donate it to somebody directly. And then Renalini did Triple M. Triple M Global Community, like Sekibule, started in 2011 as a new project by Sejima Road. This project is in High. Hobani Ayente. Oyente Jano Adalele Rado. La Hobona, millions of people, Machincha lifestyle is abona. Hahulu Juan finances. Raubana. Udula Guyana, Udula Rashida, Moscow, that is Sejima Road. And he created this project, this movement for only one reason, to make sure that fair financial orders come to us. So, Oriana, and Triple M is a show to be his life work. His life work, but not the only one. Sejima Road had a degree in mathematics. He also worked as a programmer and took part in the development of the first operation system. Government onasebenza company IT again. Rauka mathematician, great mathematician, highly a great mathematician haji. Uchobore system kawe abafone we we this kind of percentage so the company he founded was one of the leading computer equipment distributor in Russia. He was a deputy of the Russian parliament. Again. And then that happened in now this voluntary network becomes a community of millions and millions of people from more than 100 countries. Like Sekibile, Kize, movement involved in the countries 107 million. and then le rona re se re balwa he go ba bile le hlokomelo ba thola this movement. And it's also fastest growing community in the world. It is also fast. E hola ka tsela e makatsang. E hola ka tsela e makatsang hobane as of February 2015 re bua ka batho ba ile gore ba batle lifestyle tsa bona, di finances tsa bona di change haholo ba ha ba so tlote selemo. Triple M gives you a technical basic program which helps millions of participants worldwide to find those who are in need and those who are ready to provide help with their spare money. Ha o sheba batho ba hloka tjhelete ke ba bangata ke. So le ba nang le tjhelete e le gore e spare ba kgona ho thusa ba e hloka. Ke tsela e movement o sebetsang ka yona. And hape lefatshe kaofela re kgona ho bona le ho kenella mo bathong ba hlokang e leng need. A ke re na le dikgutsana, re na le di-orphanage, a ke orphanage home, re na le di-home tsa bagolo, re na le di-crèche, re na le dipleke tse leng gore o thola ka nnete o kenella bo nganteng, o kenella bo kae, o fumana ho ntso ho le tlala. So ke chance ke re file platform ke Triple M. I get baraka o so more file bro. How does it work? It's a better than Triple M. When you declare the willingness to give help by clicking the provide help, Mavro is the internal currency of the system. Each element is a system. So Mavro's amount will start growing from the moment of the deposit at the rate of 30% per month. Again, it's the day you donate. It will have 30%. And then 30% again, it's the calculation of the interest is twice a week. Again, it will have it. Kadilabo Lidi Labo, Telendaruna, Iaho. Tikaho has a counter 30 days, it compensates 30%. Say you have announced willingness to ask to assist with 100, you will be credited in your personal office 100 Mavros. And then the Mavros are how they will immediately start growing. A month later, 120 for guy, 120 for 80. Like this is 30%. And then we are offering a mutual aid program with 30% growth per month for your donation. Growth of the Mavros per month. Provide help and receive 30% more. Tusana, kaseo ubata tusaka sona, okono amuhela 30% growth. What's the detail of that? How do we take about a witnesses a hand? So I want to lose that. Why what? How I lose? Encourage about to number Baska by Kuri Mutuna Wanaka Akahona, we get 1,250. I say other ones. Like you see some and then had to a more Rishebe Hori referral bonus detail. Has it bonus? Has it benefit in the bed? Benefit air pay like it. Yabu baby. K. Let's see the month and registration. Yabu baby K. Referral bonus. And then you're 10% ill. Yeah, hold. Kabukai, 10%. Now you want to become a manager by finishing a manager's school, a manager's task, and end manager's bonus. The bonus is the manager, the referral bonus, and never manager. Managers, the bonus happen again. Hey, how the money managers in book? What this is? The manager, How the manager we let 10 days spulu samahala free education will fees must fall again. But remember oh, free school 10 days to become a manager. It's a good thing. Like what? Kore the Bitcoin is a kitchelete esebetswang ki computer e kgonang ho e bala e balwang ke computer ha e bankeng mo e leng hore sa semelo tla ba sa o rasetsa o mathela ka speed o tshwanetse wena o declare ha re le tjena ha re kore ha re ha o bonagale hore o na le di-million because di-million tsa o di kang only how di transfer o batla o lo reka ka tsona o di ntsha o di sapa SARS wa di bona hobane account ya wa kere ke ha ona hore ba ka se bone batho ba SARS. So the simplest way ya ho etsa ke hore o declare o ye ho logo tsa hore if ke a tax it as phaza mole ke kgona ho etsa bokana ka nako e sona, how am I going to settle my score in SARS? Together we are power.